So guys, actually our car's backlight has become loose. It is because the two screws have came out and we are not able to fix it. Okay guys, now they are going to just make an attachment that will hold the light on its place. It is going to be made out of steel. Now they are just bending it. Now they are checking if it fits in the place or not. So now they are going to be removing the screw that holds the light. That was just the only screw that was remaining. Now they are going to be heat welding. They are going to make the attachment super hot. As you can see, it is red. It's red hot. Okay, so now they have touched it to the body and the worker has put some water on it. Now it sticks so well that you can lift the whole bumper up. Not the bumper, sorry, the back side. Now they are going to be making the same attachment for the other side. And also guys, I try very hard to film these videos. Please consider giving me a like. It would be very helpful. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Yes, now they are making it red hot again. Yes, touched it down to the body. They have pulled it down and yes, it is super hard and super strong. Sorry, there might be some background noises because it's thundering at my place. Okay, now it is just where they attach the backside cover to the car again. It is actually quite hard, but they make it look easy. Now it is fit properly. Just putting the screws back again on its place. Okay, now they are going to be attaching the mud flap. Okay, so I did not show more part of the mud flap because it's not that important. And also, guys, just tell me one thing in the comment that should I start gaming videos, because I have a lot of games. Okay, guys, now they are just fitting the part which is under the trunk door of the car. And now they are just going to do the fixing work. That's all for this video, and the next video is going to be on soundproofing of Tata Safari car. Thank you. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video and share it to your friends. Bye bye.